Netcool Omnibus Web GUI 8.1 QuickTips System Information Number of Maps, Filters, and Views. Just in case you want to know the number of Web GUI maps, filters, and views you have in your system, there's a script that you could run to get the total of those components. As far as the requirement, I believe the feature was added in Fixpack 9, but then as of December 15, 2017, the latest Fixpack is Fixpack 12, so you should install that. The command is the webtop_report. It's in the omnibus_webgui bin directory. So when we run that report, you'll get a long list of information, and a section is called object information. And within that, you'll see the map details. For example, for this one, my system has 7 maps. For the filters, it says I have 12 global filters, 73 system filters, and that amount to 85. As far as views, it says I have 2 global views, and system views I have 3, and 1 user view, and total is 6. I'm just going to show you how it looks like if you actually run it. As I mentioned earlier, it should be in the Omnibus Web GUI bin directory, and then that's the command. So when you go run it, and there's also a bunch of information that you'll find in this webtop_report. Let's scroll up, and one of the most important one is the your full version, which is this section right here. And then we go to the object information. This is the section that shows your maps, filter, and view details.